Have you ever wondered how the future of manufacturing could be revolutionized by artificial intelligence? The answer lies in the concept of smart factories, a revolution in the manufacturing landscape that's being driven by the integration of artificial intelligence. Imagine a factory where machines and systems can improve processes through automation and self-optimization. Welcome to the world of smart factories, where AI is an integral part of the transformation. It's a world where AI's potential to enhance productivity, reduce operational costs, and improve the overall manufacturing process is being realized. AI's role in smart factories goes beyond mere automation. It's about intelligent algorithms that can predict and prevent downtime, optimize resource utilization, and even develop and implement strategies to improve product quality. AI, in the context of smart factories, is about creating a seamless integration between data and physical operations. Indeed, AI isn't merely an addition to the factory floor. It's set to redefine the entire manufacturing landscape. To understand this better, let's dive into a real-world example where AI has made a significant impact. Picture a bustling surface mount technology or SMT factory, the kind where electronic components are meticulously placed onto printed circuit boards. This is a process that requires precision, speed, and a high degree of coordination. In the past, managing such a complex operation was a daunting task. The data flow was often cluttered, and identifying bottlenecks was like finding a needle in a haystack. Enter AI. The factory decided to integrate artificial intelligence into its operations, and the transformation was remarkable. But how exactly did AI help? Well, it began with streamlining the data flow. AI algorithms were used to analyze the vast amounts of data generated by the factory's operations. These algorithms cut through the noise, identified patterns and trends, and provided actionable insights. As a result, decision-making became faster and more accurate. Next, AI was instrumental in identifying bottlenecks. By continuously monitoring the production process, the AI